In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can add a custom domain to Base44. Sign into your account, click on apps, and then you want to select the app or website which you want to connect a custom domain to. Once you have your app or website loaded, then we will click on dashboard here next to preview. Now you will navigate to the domain section and you want to choose connect your domain. From here, you will open up your domain provider. For example, I'm going to use Hostinger. Then I will go to my domain portfolio, and first you will need to add your domain name. This may vary depending on your provider. You will click on add domain, and here it is going to tell us that we need to add some records. So I'm going to go back to my provider, click on manage here, then DNS/name servers, scroll down, and the first one that I need to add is a CNAME record www, and it's going to point to this website. Copy it, CNAME www website, add record. Now we will need to add an A record as well. So A record, at, and this is going to be the value. Points to, you will paste it, add record. Now what we need to do is go back, click on done, and you can verify your domain here and it should work. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.